After some months of relief, Wuhan virus cases are now surging in India. New cases are growing. It seems like India is witnessing its own second wave. Yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a virtual meeting with chief ministers. He told them that 70 districts, 70, have reported a 150% increase in cases. Today, India reported more than 35,000 daily cases, the highest in more than 3 months. Maharashtra is the worst affected state. It accounts for 65% of the new cases. Restrictions, lockdowns, night curfews are back in several cities. What is causing this surge? Reports say Indian officials are blaming the surge on crowding and the reluctance of people to wear masks. New variants could also be a factor. India has recorded 400 cases of British, South African and Brazilian variants. There is now a growing demand to open up the vaccine program in this country. Rapid vaccination would definitely help in containing the surge. In countries like Israel, the UAE and Britain, mass vaccination is slowing the spread of the virus. In fact, the decline has been sharp. So what is India waiting for? Is India short on supplies? The answer is no. According to a report, about 6.5% of the vaccine doses are going to waste in India. India's health ministry had distributed more than 75 million doses to states. Only some 36 million doses have been used so far. Supply is not an issue here. Taking a cautious approach could hurt India's chances of defeating the pandemic. So if the shots are safe, India should allow everyone to take the jab. Perhaps it could take some lessons from Europe on what not to do. The region's overcautious approach to vaccines could be costing lives. This report tells you why.
Europe's pandemic response is in a state of disarray. Several countries have suspended the use of the AstraZeneca shot, and fresh cases are surging. Reports say across the European Union, new infections have spiked from 200 per million in mid-February to 270 per million as of last weekend. Italy, which was one of the biggest hotspots in Europe last year, is imposing another nationwide lockdown. It's a measure to slow down a third wave of cases. Reports say Italy is now reporting more than 22,000 cases on average in 7 days, while an average of 360 people die every week. France is facing demands from health experts for another lockdown. 3 days ago, France reported more than 26,000 new cases. The country's resuscitation units are now running at nearly 82% of their capacity, the highest since November 2020, when France was in its second lockdown. There is a third wave in Germany too. In the past week, the number of cases grew 20%. Germany has extended its shutdown until the 28th of March. Precious time is being lost with the delay in vaccinations. Vital doses are being wasted. And with each passing day, Europe is losing lives. Bureau Report, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.